एक 65 साल की लेडी अपने 25 साल के नेफ्यू को बोलती है, शादी होता था ना परिवार में, तो वो ऐसा करती है उसको, अगला तेरा नंबर है बेटा. एंड यंग पीपल डोंट लाइक टू बी रिमाइंडेड, अगला तेरा नंबर है शादी के लिए. सो यूज्ड टू गेट फ्रस्ट्रेटेड एवरी मैरिज, अगला तेरा नंबर है बेटा. And then once someone died in the family, so they again went for the funeral. Now both were standing and the nephew said, "Agla, आपका नंबर है आंटी." One lady had a fight with the husband. और झगड़ा हो गया पति पत्नी में, तो उसने अपनी माँ को फोन किया, मम्मी मम्मी मैं नहीं रह सकती इधर, ये बहुत हो गया, मैं झगड़ा हो गया, अभी मैं 2 हफ्ते के लिए आपके पास आ रही हूं मैं मम्मी. तो उसकी माँ बोली, नहीं नहीं बेटा, उसको उसके कर्मों का फल भुगतना चाहिए, तो तू उधर ही रुक, मैं 2 महीने के लिए आती हूँ उधर. मैं दिखाती हूँ उसको, तू उधर ही रहे. I'll tell you what happens with us. This is what happens with us. You know? This is what happens with us. See how it forms up? We react. The stimulus of a person sledging against us, criticizing, pulling us down, envious of us, conspiring, politicking, makes us react and form out. We start reacting also. And look at this. This is also sealed. The question is, do you want to be a 7-Up can or a Oxycool bottle of water? And I'm sure a lot of us would say, Prabhu ji, हमको तो दूसरा कुछ सोचता ही नहीं है प्रभु जी. Say once Albert Einstein was on a flight, and right next to Albert Einstein was sitting an Indian. So it was a long haul flight, and Albert Einstein was extremely bored. So he turned towards the Indian and said, shall we play a game? He said, what's the game all about? So Albert Einstein said, look, I'll ask you a question, and if you cannot answer the question, I shall pay you, you should pay me 50 rupees. If you cannot answer the question. And then you ask me a question, and I, as a renowned scientist from Great Britain, if I cannot answer the question, I'll pay you 5,000 rupees. In pounds, he said, I'm converting. 5,000 rupees. So I said, okay. The Indian man said, your turn first, sir. So Albert Einstein said, what is the distance between the sun and planet Earth? Very coolly, the Indian man pulled out 50 rupees and said, I don't know. Take. What difference would it make anyways, you know? So Albert Einstein said, now your turn, sir. So the Indian man asked Albert Einstein, what is that animal which walks up a mountain with 3 legs and comes down with 4? So the scientist was totally taken aback by shock. He said, what do you mean? You know, he pulled his laptop out, searched, he called for the stewardess, give me internet access, he asked for a payphone on the flight, call of all of his scientists, and no answer. Frustrated. He pulled out 5,000 rupees, slammed it in the hands of the Indian man and said, I don't know. The Indian man coolly put the money in his pocket, went back to sleep, you know. So Albert Einstein was so annoyed, he woke him up, said, idiot, I gave you 5,000 rupees. Now tell me, what is it that goes up a mountain with 3 legs and comes down with 4? The Indian man pulled out 50 rupees, said, I don't know. I must tell you, you know, when a man who says sorry when he's wrong is called honest. A man who says sorry when he's not sure is called wise. And a man who says sorry even when he's right is called husband. When we learn to be a servant in our attitude and serve others, transforming into humility, a lot of relationships are saved. नहीं तो relationship में गड़बड़ हमेशा चलता रहता है. One lady, husband was traveling, so she called up her husband, saying, "Hello." He says, "Hello. How are you?" He said, "How are you? You are teasing me." He said, "You're teasing me." "Khana kha liya?" He said, "Khana kha liya?" The lady said, "अच्छा opportunity है." She said, "I love you." Husband said, "खाना खा लिया मैंने." मैंने खाना खा लिया, ये तो मैं रिपीट नहीं कर सकता. A lot of conflicting situations come only because of the ego, and therefore the most poisonous three-lettered word which threatens the we is ego. What should we do? We should transform it into humility.